Hi guys, today we will explain about how to find keyboard shortcuts in Clipchamp. This process is simple and easy, and with the help of this method, you will learn about all the shortcuts which you can use in Clipchamp, and these will be helpful in video editing. If you have facing any difficulties in using keyboard shortcuts which are helpful, then this video is for you. And for this, open your application and open any random project. Once you will open a project, take a look on the left top, you can see 3 lines. Simply click on these lines and tap on this option keyboard shortcuts. When you will tap on it, all the keyboard shortcuts which are useful will be open. And here you can see undo. For this, you need to type Ctrl Z. If I scroll down, you will find a lot of shortcuts which are very useful. And also, if you use the keyboard shortcut, then you can speed up your video editing. If I scroll down here, you can see multiple shortcuts. From here, you can learn all the shortcuts of Clipchamp. Here you can see play or pause. This one is group selected items. This one is ungroup selected items and much more. Unfortunately, I don't think you can customize these just like we do in Adobe Premiere Pro. But even if you did not edit these, just learn from here and use this in your video editing and speed up it. And it was the way by which you can find these and use these easily.